In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails with ClickUp. We'll start right inside your workspace. First, open the list where you want this automation to live. Automations are tied to specific locations in ClickUp, so make sure you're in the correct list view where those tasks or subtasks will actually be created and managed. At the top of your list, look for the Automate button and click it. This opens the automation panel where you can see any existing automations and create new ones. Now, choose the option to create a new automation. This will open a builder where you define what should trigger the automation and what action ClickUp should perform. At the top of the builder, click the Trigger drop-down. Here you'll see different options for when this automation should fire. For this example, choose something like task or subtask created. That means every time a new task or subtask is created in this list, ClickUp will automatically follow the instructions you set next. Now move to the action dropdown. Click it to see a list of actions ClickUp can take. From this menu, choose Email and then select Send Email. This tells ClickUp that when your trigger happens, the action will be to send an email automatically. Once that's selected, click Continue to move to the email setup. Next, you'll need to choose which email account will send these messages. Click on the area that says something like Please select account. A list of the email accounts you've connected to ClickUp will appear. Click on the email address you want to send from, then confirm by clicking Select. If you don't see any accounts, you'll need to connect one in your ClickUp settings before continuing. Now you can compose the email itself. Click into the To field and type in the recipient's email address or addresses. You can add multiple recipients if needed. After that, click into the subject line and type a clear, concise subject that matches the purpose of your automation. Then click into the body field and write out the content of your email. This is a great place to provide instructions, confirmations, or status updates that relate to the task being created. When everything looks good, scroll down and click Create to save your automation. From now on, whenever your chosen trigger occurs in this list, ClickUp will automatically send the email you just configured.